In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use AI Writing Assistant in Trello. Trello is a fantastic tool for managing projects, organizing tasks, and collaborating with your team. But did you know that it also has an AI writing assistant to make your workflow even smoother? Whether you need help drafting content, brainstorming ideas, or simply polishing your text, this feature can save you time and effort. Today, I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can start using this powerful tool right away. Let's get started. First, open any Trello card by clicking on it. This will bring up all the details and sections associated with that card. Once you're inside the card, look for the description section. It's usually located near the top of the card and is where details or notes about the task are typically stored. Next, you'll notice an icon that looks like a circular crosshair right next to the description section. Go ahead and click on that icon. This is what activates Trello's AI Writing Assistant. By clicking on it, you're opening up a space to interact with the AI and request its help with your writing tasks. Now, with the AI Writing Assistant activated, you can enter a prompt or request into the input field that appears. Think of this as giving the AI a clear instruction about what you need. For example, you might type something like, "Write a brief summary about the importance of teamwork," or "Draft a professional email response to a client inquiry." Be as specific as possible so the AI can generate content that meets your needs. Once you've entered your prompt, the AI will quickly generate a preview of the text based on your request. Take a moment to carefully review this preview. Does it capture the tone and content you were aiming for? If it looks good, you're ready to move on to the next step. If not, you can adjust your prompt and try again until you're satisfied with the result. When you're happy with the AI's output, simply click the Insert button. This will automatically place the generated text into the description section of the Trello card. From there, you can make any final edits or adjustments directly within the card if needed. But that's not all. The AI Writing Assistant isn't limited to just the description section. You can also use it in other text fields within Trello, such as the comment section. This is especially useful if you want to draft quick updates, provide feedback, or communicate with your team directly within the card. Feel free to repeat this process with different prompts to explore the full range of what the AI Writing Assistant can do. Experiment with various writing tasks to see how it can adapt to your needs, whether it's creating detailed instructions, drafting creative ideas, or refining your text for clarity and professionalism. If you don't already have a Trello account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and try this feature for yourself. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can leverage Trello's AI Writing Assistant to streamline your work and boost your productivity. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.